Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to iron khaki uniforms. First, ensure your khakis are clean and completely dry. Next, set up your ironing board and fill a spray bottle with water for dampening. Adjust your iron to the appropriate setting, typically cotton or linen, and allow it to heat up fully. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective ironing process, preventing new creases or damage to the fabric. Always start with a clean surface and the right tools. When you begin ironing, start with the smaller, trickier areas like pockets and the waistband. Iron these from the inside out to avoid creating new wrinkles on the visible side. Next, lay the uniform flat and press all seams to ensure they are crisp. Then, iron the main fabric sections using long, even strokes, moving the iron consistently. For darker khakis or delicate areas, use a pressing cloth to prevent any unwanted shine or scorch marks. This method helps achieve a professional look. After ironing, immediately hang your khaki uniform on a hanger to allow it to cool and set without forming new wrinkles. If you notice any stubborn creases, lightly re-dampen that specific area with your spray bottle and carefully re-iron it until smooth. Proper storage is key to maintaining your hard work. Hang your khakis in a closet, ensuring they have enough space and aren't crushed by other garments. This helps preserve their crisp, professional appearance for longer. To keep your iron performing its best and protect your khakis, regularly clean the iron sole plate. This prevents any residue from transferring onto your clean uniform. Using distilled water in your iron can also prevent mineral buildup, which might otherwise cause stains on your fabric. For quick touch-ups, a garment steamer can be a convenient alternative to full ironing. Remember, consistent care extends the life and appearance of your uniform. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.